What's up, guys? What's going on? What's cooking? What is shaking? What's popping? So, on the last video, we talked about structure, right? The theoretical aspect of market structure. And on this video, we're going to be talking about same market structure, but we're going to be applying it on the charts, right? We're going to be applying it on the live market. So, yeah, we have three types of structure: uptrending structure, right, downtrending structure, and sideways structure. But I told you guys we're going to be looking at the uptrends and the downtrends for the purpose of this video. So remember, whatever I say here should be used for only entertainment purposes, right? I'm not a financial advisor. I hope you understand. I'm not here to tell you if price is going to go up or go down, or give you a magic witchy jackpot strategy or whatever, but I'm just here to show you what has been working for me over time. And yeah, maybe you should look into it. I'm not, it's just my humble opinion, right? So we have the uptrends, right? We have the downtrends, and we have the sideways trends. But for the purpose of this video, we're gonna be looking at the uptrends and the downtrend only. So yeah, let's move in what we have. Price in a downtrend prints series of lower highs and lower lows, right? Price in an uptrend prints series of higher highs and higher lows. Lower highs and lower lows because this low is lower than the previous low, hence lower low, and this high is lower than the previous high, hence lower high. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, high, high, um higher low, yeah, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then we should expect a higher high because price is an uptrend. So you can see that price has broken sorry, my bad, price has broken structure here, broke structure, ouch, okay, let me use this. Price has broken structure, right, to the left, broke this structure, broke the structure. So you can see price keeps breaking and melting, blowing through structures. So right, so let's dive in and yeah, show you how you can map out these stuff on the chart, right? So we have we've been having, okay, let's start here. We had a downtrend here, right? Lower highs and lower lows, and then suddenly shift in market structure, continuation. So in a downtrend, supply holds, demand breaks, right? Break of structure to the downside, break of structure, break of structure, break of structure to the downside, break of structure to the downside. It was a swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. Then we have these two little lows, right? So break of structure. Okay, sorry, this low, and this high. This low was weak, right? This low was weak. Then this low was weak, which confirmed this as a high because it was broken. Right? Break of structure. Break of structure. Right? Break of structure to the upside. Price then shifted, switched from downtrending market structure to uptrending market structure, right? So low, low, high, right? Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then we had a shift in market structure, right? So let's draw this out. Sorry. Break of structure here. A little break of structure here, right? A little break of structure here. Then price came here, printed these two equal highs and pushed to the downside. So same thing here, break of structure, right? Break of structure to the downside, structural break to the downside, structural break to the downside, structural break to the downside. Structural break to the downside, right? Then from downtrend, price shifted to uptrend, right? So guys, let's flow with this. Let's flow with this. So you can see that price was in the downtrend here, right? Printing series of lower highs and lower lows. Then suddenly switched to an uptrend, broke structure to the upside, give a pullback, then broke structure again to the upside, gave a pullback, broke structure to the upside, then broke this swing low, give a pullback. Yeah, from here we know that supply holds, demand fails. Then in an uptrend, demand holds, supply failed, but not for long. Price switched to downtrend again. You can see that supply started holding again. Supply started holding again, and demand started falling. So we sell at supply, we buy at demand. But once we see that demand has started failing and supply has started holding, or supply has started failing and demand has started holding, we know that we've changed we've changed our trend, right? Trend has changed. So we need to trade with the trend. We need to follow the trend. The trend is your friend. You should never trade against the trend. The trend is your friend until it's not, and if it's not, means that it has changed, right? The trend is your friend until it's not. So let's take a look at this downtrend, printing lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Then we had a shift in price. Take a look at this, right? Take a look at this. Sorry, my bad. Template, because structure, right? So another break of structure here, right? Then we broke structure to the downside from here, because price printed this low, then gave this high, then broke this low, right? So break of structure here, break of structure here, right? Break of structure here. Then what happened? Price came back, tapped into a demand, right? Tapped into a demand, and then huge buy off from there, right? So this huge buy off, right, from this demand. So demand started, supply was holding here, supply was holding, demand was falling, right? Supply held, demand failed. Same with here, supply held, demand failed. But from here, demand started holding, right? Demand started holding, and supply started failing. Supply started failing, demand started holding, right? Demand started holding, supply started failing over here. So till it's not sorry, my bad, excuse me. The trend is your friend till it's not. You can see impulse, move to the upside, impulse, impulse, move to the downside, impulse, move to the downside, impulse. then a huge sell-off, right? A huge sell-off, then a correction to the upside. Okay, correction, sideways correction, and then a huge move to the upside, right? A huge move to the upside, break of structure, little correction, then this huge correction, break of structure to the upside, demand held, break of structure to the upside, demand held. Now we should be expecting, if we can get a break of structure, a structural break here, we should be expecting buys from either here, we should be expecting buys from either here or here, right? Just take a look at this. Break of structure, sell off, break of structure, sell off. Right? So that's just it, guys. There is nothing hard here. There's nothing hard here, right? There's nothing hard here. It's not something to crack your brain about. Just take a look at this. Break of structure to the upside, right? Then break of structure to the downside. Retest supply, then push to the downside. Retest supply, push to the downside. That's just it. There's nothing here. It's quite simple. All these things, they are simple, right? So if you have any questions, if you have anything to ask, the DM, the DM is always open. That's what you should know. The DM is always open for any questions. You can come to ask your question, right? Show face for my DM. Come ask question. I know they run. You know they hide. More. Just take a look at this. This huge break of structure here, and then a break below. This swing low, and then retest supply, sell off, right? So we've come to the end of the video. Yeah, I know this. You learned something here. You learned something here. You can't tell me you didn't learn anything from this video. Well, right, so we've come to the end of the video. See you on the next one. See you in the community, right? Yeah, on the next video, or in the community, Lucy the Fix community. Peace off, guys.